So, it's everywhere at the moment, this thing, everywhere. So it's the Infallible, the 3-second setting mist, 36 hours of wear. Now I am very, very, very au fait with this product. Very au fait with it. It is the strongest setting product that I have tried, hands down. It is insanely intense. I'm just going to take a couple of shadows. There it is. We'll take a couple more. Yeah, let's do another couple as well on the other side. Ooh, they're nice, aren't they? From Patrick Tar palette. So this stuff is mental. There's no pretending it. It is incredibly mental. It really can prolong your makeup. Over applied, it is a nightmare. It can glue your eyes shut. It is insane, but it works. It really does. Give it a shake because you need to mix it. And then you just want a quick spritz. And by the way, ooh, it's got a bit of a whiff to it. That's a nice thing. I'm sure my partner's going to zoom in on that. Hold your breath. This works though. It is insane how clever, how smart, how mental, how insane this product is, because it does work. It is incredible when you think what this product is. It works. If you have very, very oily skin or you're going somewhere, this is great for weddings, by the way. Or you're going somewhere special, use it. I don't recommend using this every single day unless you are ultra oily or you absolutely need your makeup to kind of be all day long. But it does work. It absolutely does work. It's got a real whiff about it. And an over application can look and feel quite sticky, but it is amazing. If you need that kind of longevity, this is the thing to use. This is it. By the way, for those of you who are thinking about weddings and things like that, I would use this on a wedding, but I would spray the face. I would then go back in with a touch of powder on a puff just to do that for extra strength. You don't need it, but sometimes with setting sprays, there can be a sheen. There really isn't too much with this one, but just in case, I like to go over it so it photographs well. Thanks for watching. This is mad. It's mad. Oh, and by the way, it isn't sponsored. See you next time. Bye-bye.